Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix error 403 on Roblox. So what this error 403 is all about. So the error 403 on Roblox means that your device has been banned. So it is a hardware ban, so your Roblox account no longer works on that account. So let's head on to our Roblox first and let's fix this issue. So if you want to fix this error 403, all you have to do is go to your account, click on your name, not over here, just click on the left hand side, you can see these three dots, click here and then click on logout, and you have to finish the account setup. So I'm just going to log out anyway. Alright, so now what you have to do is create another account and then log into this Roblox. So before doing that, you have to uninstall the Roblox, install the Roblox once again, and then log in with your new account. And then you can also fix your internet issue. If you have connected with the VPN, you have to disconnect it first to fix the error 403. So that's basically how you can fix it. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.